This project presented a unique challenge, creating a business card with a vent-like design cut into the cardstock using our CNC machines. The client's vision was simple enough. Cut the lines, remove the excess paper, and the cards are ready. However, we quickly discovered the critical importance of precise measurements. Our initial attempt resulted in the paper being stuck on the card. While we could have used an external tool to remove it, this would have significantly slowed production and risked damaging the cards. Our goal was to use our air blower for efficient and clean removal. This led us down a rabbit hole of problem solving. One of our early attempts involved using a larger blade, but this introduced a new problem. The corners of the cut lines weren't clean, resulting in slight overcuts into the cardstock. We experimented extensively, adjusting the size of the vent lines and testing various blade sizes on our CNC machine, including the larger blade mentioned above. We also tried different power blowers and repositioned the paper on the CNC machine. One recurring issue was that the excess paper would detach cleanly from only half the sheet. The other half remained stuck. We eventually realized the machine's conveyor belt wasn't perfectly level, causing inconsistencies. Shifting the paper to a different section of the belt resolved this issue, allowing us to achieve perfect results. This project was a true test of our problem-solving skills and required a significant time investment. Ultimately, we were able to deliver exactly what the client envisioned. We hope they're thrilled with their new business cards. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any alternative approaches.